it's frustrating if you aren't in a low tax state,
Mhm.
and it's frustrating if you don't know how to use those strategies quickly to rotate your wealth from public markets into real hard assets.
What's been your biggest frustration when it comes to exiting highly appreciated assets, whether it be your business or crypto, maybe even farmland if it's part of the U.S. Or the 1031 exchange? What's the frustration there, Peter?
I think for me, I mean, most of us who work and live in Silicon Valley end up exiting our companies in Silicon Valley. And of course, California, federal, state, taxes, it's, you get a nice outcome and they take 50% off the top. And I think one of the keys actually is as you're, building your own company, move out of these high tax states. It doesn't make any sense. You can make so much more money by not being in a high tax state, and then at the end of that journey, making sure you move those assets quickly into hard assets like real estate. I mean, it's I did a bunch of selling private company stock, went straight into buying single family home portfolio, then a multifamily building, and then I did a bunch of 1031s and kept going with the food chain. So it's frustrating if you aren't in a low tax state, and it's frustrating if you don't know how to use those strategies quickly to rotate your wealth from public markets into real hard assets that you can benefit from depreciation and all the capital gains avoidance strategies out there.
Yeah. I think that's a key, right? Having the plan in place. I always say plan the exit plan before you actually exit, right? Or before you list the property or the business or whatever, right? As a reminder, 1031 exchanges don't work for businesses, right? And so we work with businesses all the time that are exiting and millions of dollars of tax, and now they can defer it. And the cool thing with the Deferred Sales Trust, for those who are learning about that for the first time, you can move funds back into another business or back into real estate or back in the stock market, into farmland, all these different, diversified portfolio of liquid investments or hard assets, all tax deferred, kind of like an IRA, kind of like a 401k. And for those who want to learn about that, you can go to capitalgainstaxsolutions.com. It's capitalgainstaxsolutions.com.